Tired of paying $30 a month just to have a business website? There's a faster way. This prompt pack walks you through building a complete .com website and professional email in one afternoon. No coding, no monthly fees. You get the exact ChatGPT prompts and step-by-step guide I use to build sites for clients. Just copy, paste, and customize. One payment, lifetime access. Click the link below to see the demo and get started today. Here's the reality. Hiring a developer costs $500 to $3,000. Website builders like Wix and Squarespace lock you into monthly payments forever, and you still don't own your site. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or entrepreneur, you don't have time to learn code. You need something that works now. This pack gives you 3 powerful ChatGPT prompts and a complete PDF guide. Prompt number 1. Generates the full HTML, CSS code for a professional 5-page business website: home, about, services, portfolio, contact. Prompt number 2. Shows you exactly how to set up a professional email like info@yourbusiness.com using free tools. Prompt number 3. Walks you through connecting your domain and launching your site live. Plus, the PDF guide covers every step with screenshots, so you never feel lost. Let me show you how simple this is. You copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, add your business name and details, and within seconds, ChatGPT generates your complete website code. Then you copy that code, paste it into a free hosting platform like Netlify, and your site is live. No expensive hosting fees, no technical headaches. I've used this exact process for clients, and it works every time. Some generic template. Every site you build is unique to your business. If you get stuck, I'm here to help. Just email me, and I'll personally guide you through it. And if you're not satisfied for any reason, you're fully covered. No questions asked. Thousands of business owners are already building their sites this way. You can too. Stop overpaying. Stop waiting. Get your business online today. The link is in the description below. Click it, grab your pack, and I'll see you inside. Click the link and get started now.